Trononama. Falcha Roa Reish. Welcome back. Time for my Gaeilge lesson. Tasty. Probably on golf. Ach, on Gaeilge Tusa. Dame 10. Very much. My son and I were at the driving range. We're pretty much novices at the sport. But he hit it 200 yards today, so I'm pretty proud of him. So shout out Bing Bing. You did it good. So before I begin, I saw on TikTok one of the I forgot the word, an Irish speaking woman, Gaeilge. Anyway, she mentioned a particular book. So I got it. What's that is Gaeilge? An English-Irish phrase book. So it gives you some, hold on, that's blowing away. Some useful phrases from Berla to Gaeilge. I don't know if that's correct. Berla to Gaeilge. One day, I hope to read fluently in Gaeilge. That's my wish. I'll make it happen. I had something I was going to say. Oh, it hurts. So it's time for my lesson. So I believe it's pluralizing words. So I shall begin. This is just one of, I have 3 apps that I use. This is the simple app, which is okay. I mean, that's the app there. It's okay. This is more for entertainment for me because it doesn't explain things. Irish with Molly explains more and better, as well as the Pimsleur, but the pronunciations are a bit different. So that does tend to mess me up. So let's begin. Start. Lesson 1 of 5. Form the plural. Here we begin. First one.
Eat. Eat.
Eat. Day.
Ihmed. Ihmed.
Ihmed. We eat.
Buchali.
Buchali. Boys.
Salin. Salin.
Salin. Salt. And it is correct. All right.
Lein Shinufton.
Lein Shinuptan. Lein Shinuptan. He reads newspapers. Lein is read. She is he. And that's, how do you know if it's he or she? Because I know it's spelled S-E with that accent on the E, or S-I for her, she. But they sound, when I'm listening to a Gaeilge speaker, they sound the same. It's hard for me to differentiate. And Luthdan newspapers, let's check it. Good job, correct. Oh, type the matching pairs.
Eat. Eat.
Eat. They? Correct.
Broccoli.
Here's a very difficult Gaeilge word.
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
Loja.
Locha? Mice. That was in a previous lesson and I got it wrong. So I remembered it.
Me.
Oui? That sounds like oui, like French. So I was... Knee. Okay, it's knee. I'm outside, so I get a lot of traffic flowing through. I'd sit inside, but my better half is cleaning up and I don't want to get in her way, and she's had a rough enough day. Her husband and son took off golfing. I love golfing. It's probably on golf. Iolra Gaeilge, it doesn't love me. Let's carry on. The horses drink. Of course they do. The horses drink. Oh, drink. Olan. Couple. Olan na couple or Olan couple. Olan na couple. Couldn't remember the word for horse. It took me. And if it's the, I thought here. See, here's where it gets me. The is an, but sometimes it's na, like it's switched around. If someone please correct me on that or explain why, I would love it. The more Gaeilge speakers I encounter, and this is why I put these out there, is to encounter Gaeilge speakers so you can correct me, preferably kindly, Kinelta. Because I know some language speakers, they get upset when you put your language. I was trying to learn Tagalog, and my wife, being Filipina, was helping me. And when I would make a video, there would be other white dudes that would get mad at how I was saying stuff. And I'm like, relax, dude. Let's just, the more we all communicate, I think everyone should speak Gaeilge. Yeah, Gaeilge, Neil better. Hey, what's the next one? Matching pairs.
Shana. Ul.
Ul, apples.
Shana.
I don't know. Shana.
Shana.
Shana? Fox? Apparently so. M? Butter.
Rashta.
That's easy. Rasta. That was one of the first Irish Gaeilge words I learned. Rasta. Rasta shoe. I love Rasta shoe. It's probably Rasta soup. Is that correct? But it's too much sugar, so I don't drink it. Correct. 5 in a row. He reads the newspaper, so really, dude?
Len. Shin. Now. Milta.
Correct. Dayan sinanuktan. What? The girl eats something.
Kalin. Ula.
Ulaw. Ulaw.
Kalin. Ula.
Ula. Ula. Apples. I got it right. To be honest, this is how my brain works. I was thinking fish, but it's apples. I don't know why I was thinking fish, because girls like fish. I don't know. Personally, I am not a fish person. I don't like fish. Sort of. I'm a naughty boy. There's one type of fish I enjoy. The dogs drink wine. What the? Oh. The dogs drink wine. What's dogs? Starts with an, excuse me, an M. Dogs drink wine. There's my wife right there. See, there she is. Starts with an M. Dogs. And I'm cheating because I'm with the book. Okay. Did, difference, dish, dog. Oh, Lord. It doesn't. Yeah, Madra? Madra. Madrai film. I got it right, but they use Madrai film. I don't know if you can see that. This is the little green at the bottom. That's my answer, what I wrote in. So my tense is maybe a little off, my spelling is off. Okay, I cheated. But I knew it started with an M. Lithian Madrai Marchiol. Dog eats beef. Correct. The horses eat. In
Capo.
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 Na capo. Ihin na capo. Correct mundo. Ten in a row. Oh crap. Limit. We read the newspapers. Correct. Limit na nuktan. Nuktan. My Berla is interfering with my Gaeilge. Limit na nuktan. When I come to Ireland, to Erie. How do you pronounce it? Erie? Ayr. When I come, I want to go to a Gaeilge. I want to go where they speak Irish. Just Gaeilge. A hotel somewhere there. Obviously, I know everyone doesn't speak Gaeilge, but I want to encounter. I'm gonna intentionally seek out Gaeilge speakers, so I can practice, and hopefully they can give me pointers. Okay, he has books. He has books. Really? Book is something to do with reading. Leber. Correct. Which sometimes it takes me a minute before it checks in. The Madre eat.
launching.
They are not dogs. It doesn't really make sense to me, unless it's foxes you're looking at. Are they wolves? Will they bite me? I don't know. Correct. Leanne, green sheet, nah. Live here. Ooh, live here. I got it correct. See, they gave me a choice, too. Top or bottom one. Apparently, I picked the correct one. Sometimes I guess. At my age, my memory is kind of crap. Say it again.
And now, catch around.
Catch. Crap. What is that?
And now, catch around.
Something eats bread.
And now, catch around.
Cat? Kate. I got that one incorrect because I literally spelled it barely as it sounds. Yeah. I was correct with the animal though. I kind of figured it was going to be cat again. See, Bullen catch and banya. The cat drinks milk.
Is locha eat. Is locha eat.
Eat. Crap.
Is locha eat.
Oh, my brain is drawing a complete blank. Yet. Really? Oh. Are they mice? I don't understand what they're saying anyway. Luca. Luca. Eat. They are mice? Sorry. That one I popped it into a translator because it didn't make sense to me. Let's correct the exercises you missed, which was 2.
In the casserole.
And I haven't figured out counting in Gaeilge yet. Yeah, that was the cat one.
Is locha eat.
Correct. So, not what I was hoping for.
I love to help. Any way I
No,
can.
you don't. So, like I said, it wasn't quite. I liked it. It would have been nicer if I got 100%. And maybe being out here, I kind of put myself at a disadvantage because it's hard to hear, especially with the traffic going by. Oh, it's stinky. Yeah, it's hard to tell, but I got some sun today. see if I can show you. It's just finishing this. It's closing off. So there we go. Open another chest. Let me see if I can show you. Let's see. Oh, look at that beautiful sun. Well, you can't see the sun, but you see the sky. All right. It's clear. We have got high temperatures, so continue. Yes. Close off 106 day streak. There we go. I can do it. I think I committed to 125 or 150 day streak. So there you go. Leave me alone. Yeah, I know I'm gonna go down in the next one. So, like I said, you can kind of tell it's sunny. So, we'll say, Tashe Griver August Te in you. It was hot and sunny today. Sunny and hot today. It certainly was. And the temperature, let me see what the temperature was. Okay, we have a heat warning. See, 34 degrees. Feels like 40 with a humidex. Probably why my son and I had a hard time on the driving range. Well, Gaeilge Amaga. Thank you for joining me, and hopefully you don't mind joining me on another one. Slango for.